Dash cams have become an upright necessity these days, and for many reasons. Although there are a bunch of dash cams available in different price points with different features. Today, we're going to share with you the 5 best budget dash cams that deliver great performance and peace of mind without breaking your budget. If any of these dash cams catch your eye, we'll put the latest prices and buy links down in the video description, just to make life a little easier. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. If you want something small that won't crowd your windshield or block your view while driving, then check out the Garmin Mini 2. This compact little device, about the size of a car key, really stayed out of the way while we were driving, but still captured what was happening on the road clearly in full HD. One thing we really appreciated when using this dash cam was how simple it is to save videos. Here, all you have to do is press one button, and the video is saved instantly. Even better, we tried the voice commands like "OK Garmin, save video" or "OK Garmin, take a picture." And it worked pretty well. It felt great being able to keep our hands on the wheel and still control the camera. Now, setting it up through the app didn't take long either. And transferring videos to our phone or computer was really easy as well. Sure, it doesn't have GPS, but for around $100 on Amazon, you get hands-free controls and clear video, which many dash cams in this price range don't offer. So, if you're after a discreet and affordable dash cam for everyday driving, this one's a great pick. Next up, we have the Redtiger F7N Touch. It's a little dash cam that packs a punch with its sharp 4K front camera. The Redtiger F7N Touch is compact, but still packs a 3.18-inch touchscreen and a dual camera setup, so you get front and rear coverage. The touchscreen is really responsive, and we like that you can even use voice control. Driving hands-free and just telling it what to do felt pretty handy, especially when you're focused on the road. Talk about the loop recording. It worked well for us. It keeps recording over old footage, so don't worry about clearing space all the time. And since it supports up to 128 gigs, you can store a lot of video as well. Plus, the G sensor was useful too. It kept track of where we drove, how fast we were going, and our route, kind of like a simple travel log. And the rear camera records in 1080p. During the day, the video looked good, though at night it slightly lacked clarity. But for the price, we weren't expecting perfect night vision anyway. Now, setting it up was easy as well with the Redtiger app. We could easily adjust camera angles and download clips right to our phones without messing with the SD card. And right now, it's on sale for $110 on Amazon. And considering what you get for that price, we think it's a pretty decent deal. Now, if you're after a dash cam that goes beyond basic recording without stretching your budget too far, then the Kingslim D4 PRO might get your interest. The feature that comes with the D4 PRO is the camera setup, which we really like. Now, it's a bit on the expensive side, but you get a 4K front camera and the rear camera records in 2K. Or you can go 2K on both for a balanced view, if you prefer. Either way, the video quality is pretty clear, so catching details like license plates or road signs is easy, whether it's day or night. Plus, it uses a Sony Starvis sensor, so the footage comes out clear. On top of that, the D4 PRO packs built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can connect it to the Kingslim app to view or download videos right on your phone. And when we used it, the front camera's 270-degree rotation was really helpful. We could easily adjust it to get a better view of the road. And the voice control was a nice touch too. We could take a quick photo or change the view without letting go of the wheel. And another interesting part is, for this price, it gives you features that a lot of other dash cams don't, like the G sensor, parking monitor, and loop recording. And that gives you peace of mind while driving or when your car's parked. If you want a solid dash cam with a tight budget that offers great value, then look at the DDPai Z40. It features a 2-inch HD screen right on the front, so it's kinda easy to see what you're recording, and it connects over Wi-Fi, so you can manage it through the DDPai app on your phone, which makes things easier. And as per our experience in this price range, it's not that common to get this kind of app control. And with support for up to 128 gigs of storage, you got a good amount of space for your recordings as well. Now finally, at the bottom, you have the front adjustable camera to adjust the angle of your car's windshield. Plus, this dash cam records really clear, high-quality video, as it has a Sony IMX335 sensor. And when we used it, the 140-degree wide lens showed a lot of the road clearly. We could easily see license plates and street signs, even when the sun was bright at that time. So it really helped capture things while driving. And what's great is that, for this price, you don't usually get some of these extra features. For example, it has a dual storage system, so if the memory card stops working, it can still save important videos. Last but not least, the VIOFO A119V3. It's easily one of the dash cams you can grab for under $100. It gives you a gimmicky 2K video resolution at 60 FPS, using a 5MP Sony Starvis sensor and a Novatec processor. And the 140-degree field of view is just right and wide enough to capture the full road ahead without making the image look stretched. It also performs really well at night, keeping things like license plates and street signs clear, even in low light conditions. And when it comes to parking mode, it gives you 3 solid options: motion-triggered recording with a buffer, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. Perfect if you often park your car outside. The built-in GPS tags your speed and location on the video, which can really help if you ever need proof after an incident. And you also get useful features like loop recording, a G sensor that detects sudden impacts, and support for micro SD cards up to 256 gigs. Just keep in mind, it still uses a micro USB port instead of the newer Type-C. So that was our video on the 5 best budget dash cams for $100. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.